What if I told you that living to 100 isn't just about luck or good genetics? Scientists have spent decades studying the world's longest living people, and the truth is, small daily habits make all the difference. You don't need extreme diets, expensive treatments, or a lifetime of perfect health. Just simple, doable changes that can add years of vitality to your life. Whether you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, it's never too late to start. And the best part? These 5 habits don't just help you live longer, they help you live better. More energy, sharper thinking, stronger bones, and a heart that keeps beating for years to come. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's explore 5 powerful habits that scientists say can add years to your life, no matter your age. Before we begin, if you find this kind of content helpful and want more practical science-backed health tips, consider subscribing to Nourishing HR. We share insights that can help you stay healthier, stronger, and more informed as you age. And if you enjoy this video, a quick like lets us know to keep making more just like it. Now let's dive into habit number 1, prioritizing quality sleep for longevity. Imagine this. You wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and clear-headed. The morning sun gently streams through your window, and as you stretch, you experience no stiffness or sluggishness, only a sense of well-being that carries you through the day. Now picture feeling this way more often. The secret? Prioritizing quality sleep, one of the most overlooked yet powerful habits for a longer, healthier life. For years, sleep was thought to be merely a passive state, a time when the body simply shut down for the night. However, modern science reveals a very different story. Sleep is an active process of restoration, a time when your body and brain engage in deep repair. Research has shown that poor sleep is linked to heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and even cognitive decline. In contrast, consistent, high-quality sleep strengthens memory, supports the immune system, and can even add years to your life. Take a look at the world's longest living populations. They don't just live longer, they live well. One thing they all have in common is their respect for rest. They sleep and wake in harmony with the natural rhythms of the day, embracing the benefits of an early night, and their bodies thank them for it. But what if you struggle with sleep? What if you toss and turn or wake up still feeling exhausted? The good news is that small changes can make a significant difference. First, try to stick to a regular schedule. Your body loves routine, so aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Next, make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Soft lighting, a comfortable mattress, and breathable sheets can transform your space into a restful retreat. Additionally, be mindful of how you unwind before bed. An hour before sleeping, step away from screens. Blue light from phones and TVs tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, disrupting melatonin production, the hormone that signals your body that it's time to rest. Instead, consider reading a book, listening to calming music, or practicing deep breathing exercises. Also pay attention to what you eat and drink. Caffeine and alcohol can interfere with sleep, so try swapping that late-night coffee for a soothing herbal tea. While a heavy meal too close to bedtime can cause discomfort, a small snack that includes protein and healthy fats, like almonds or yogurt, can actually promote better sleep. Finally, incorporate gentle movement into your evening routine. Staying active during the day often leads to better sleep at night. A leisurely evening walk or light stretching can relax your muscles and signal to your body that it's time to wind down. It's never too late to make changes that support your health. While you may not be able to turn back the clock, prioritizing sleep can help you slow it down, giving you more vibrant, energetic years ahead. So tonight, as you settle into bed, remind yourself, this isn't just rest, it's renewal, it's longevity, it's a gift to yourself, one night at a time. Habit number 2. Eating a nutrient-dense whole food diet. What we eat has a profound impact on how long and how well we live. Scientists studying the world's longest living populations, known as the Blue Zones, have found that diet is one of the strongest predictors of longevity. These regions, including Okinawa, Japan, Sardinia, Italy, Nicoya, Costa Rica, Ikaria, Greece, and Loma Linda, California, USA, share a common thread. Their diets are rich in whole, plant-based foods and low in processed and artificial ingredients. One of the biggest takeaways from these longevity studies is the importance of fiber-rich foods. Foods like vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains do more than just keep you full. They actively support digestion, improve gut health, and regulate blood sugar levels. Research has shown that a healthy gut microbiome is linked to a longer lifespan. The trillions of bacteria in our digestive system influence everything from metabolism to immune function. A high-fiber diet feeds beneficial gut bacteria, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and even certain cancers. In fact, a study published in The Lancet found that people who eat high-fiber diets have a 15 to 30% lower risk of dying prematurely from conditions like heart disease and diabetes. This means that something as simple as adding more beans, leafy greens, and whole grains to your plate could have a profound impact on your longevity. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. By the time we reach 70 or 80, this muscle loss can lead to frailty, weakness, and a higher risk of falls. However, getting enough protein can help slow down this process, keeping you strong and independent. Many seniors struggle with getting enough protein because their appetites decrease with age. But instead of relying on red or processed meats, which have been linked to health issues, long-lived populations focus on plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. Other excellent sources include fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, and fermented dairy products like kefir, which also support gut health. Experts recommend aiming for at least 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, or roughly 50 to 70 grams of protein per day for most seniors. Incorporating protein-rich snacks such as almonds or hummus and adding lean proteins to every meal can make a significant difference in maintaining muscle strength. Not all fats are bad. In fact, some are essential for brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation. The Mediterranean diet, one of the most well-researched longevity diets, is rich in healthy fats from sources like extra virgin olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like salmon, sardines, walnuts, and flax seeds have been shown to reduce inflammation, support cognitive function, and lower the risk of heart disease. Studies suggest that people who consume these healthy fats regularly have a lower risk of dementia, Alzheimer's disease, and age-related cognitive decline. One study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, JAMA, found that seniors with higher levels of omega-3s in their blood lived on average 2.2 years longer than those with lower levels. That's a simple but powerful reason to include more of these healthy fats in your diet. While adding nutritious foods is essential, what you avoid is just as important. Many processed foods contain added sugars, unhealthy trans fats, and artificial additives that contribute to inflammation, weight gain, and chronic diseases. For instance, excessive sugar intake has been linked to insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and cognitive decline. Studies suggest that high sugar consumption can increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease, often referred to as type 3 diabetes. Reducing sugar intake, especially from processed foods, sodas, and refined carbohydrates, can help maintain brain function and overall health. The key to longevity isn't about strict dieting, it's about nourishing your body with real, wholesome foods every day. By focusing on natural, unprocessed meals filled with fiber, healthy fats, and lean proteins, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive well into your golden years. And the best part? It's never too late to make a change. Whether you start by adding an extra serving of vegetables to your plate, swapping sugary snacks for nuts, or including more whole grains in your meals, small changes can lead to big improvements in longevity and quality of life. Now, let's move on to habit number 3, which reveals an often overlooked practice that has helped many seniors defy aging and stay active longer. Habit 3. Prioritizing real social connections. One of the most overlooked yet powerful secrets to a long life isn't found in a pill or a diet. It's in the relationships we build. Studies have shown that strong social connections can add years to your life and significantly improve overall well-being. In fact, research from Harvard's famous 85-year-long study on aging revealed that meaningful relationships and social bonds are the #1 predictor of long-term health and happiness. As we age, it's easy to become more isolated. Children grow up, friends move away, and mobility challenges can make socializing harder. But staying connected isn't just about avoiding loneliness. Social engagement has been linked to lower stress levels, better heart health, and even a reduced risk of dementia. Scientists believe this is because human interaction stimulates the brain, keeps emotions balanced, and provides a sense of purpose. As we age, the quality of our relationships becomes just as important as our diet and exercise. Being around people we care about helps lower stress levels, blood pressure, and the risk of depression. It also keeps the mind sharp, reducing the likelihood of cognitive decline. Even small daily interactions with family, friends, or neighbors can make a significant difference. Not everyone has a large family or an extensive social circle, but staying connected is still possible. Simple ways to maintain and strengthen social connections include keeping in touch with loved ones, even if they are far away. A phone call, video chat, or handwritten letter can brighten both your day and theirs. Joining a group or club can also help. Look for local groups that match your interests, whether it's a book club, gardening group, walking club, or religious community. Being part of a group provides a sense of belonging and purpose, and it's never too late to make new friends. Community centers, senior groups, and even online forums can be great places to connect with like-minded individuals. Volunteering is another excellent way to give back to the community while providing a sense of purpose and social interaction. Helping at a local charity, library, or school can be a fulfilling way to stay active and engaged. Staying engaged in conversations is crucial as well. Chatting with neighbors, greeting people at the grocery store, or participating in local discussion groups can enhance your sense of connection. Beyond companionship, social engagement has incredible benefits for brain health. Studies show that people who maintain active social lives have a lower risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Engaging in conversations, recalling memories, and sharing experiences helps keep the brain sharp and engaged. Furthermore, laughter and emotional support from loved ones can boost immune function, reduce stress hormones, and even alleviate physical pain. Simply put, relationships are essential for both the soul and the body. A long life isn't just about diet and exercise, it's also about having people to share it with. Surrounding yourself with positive, supportive relationships can add years to your life and life to your years. So take a moment today to reach out to someone, whether it's a family member, friend, or even an old acquaintance. A simple conversation can make all the difference. Habit 4. Staying physically active. One of the most powerful habits for longevity is staying physically active. Scientists and health experts agree that regular movement is a key factor in living a longer, healthier life. The good news is that you don't need to run marathons or lift heavy weights to reap the benefits. Simple, consistent activities like walking, stretching, and doing light household chores can significantly impact your overall well-being. As we age, our bodies naturally slow down. Muscles weaken, joints become stiffer, and energy levels may decrease. However, studies show that staying active can slow down these processes, helping seniors maintain mobility, strength, and independence well into their later years. A study from Harvard Medical School found that just 30 minutes of movement per day can add up to 5 years to your lifespan. Another study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine revealed that seniors who engage in daily physical activity can reduce their risk of heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and cognitive decline by as much as 40%. The key is consistency. Moving a little every day is far better than sitting for long periods. The best form of exercise is the one you enjoy and can do regularly. It doesn't have to be intense, just keep moving. Walking is a simple yet effective way to improve circulation, keep joints flexible, and strengthen the heart. Even a 10 to 15-minute stroll around your house, garden, or neighborhood can make a difference. Light housework and gardening activities such as sweeping, dusting, or tending to plants keep the body active while also being productive. Gardening in particular is excellent for improving flexibility and reducing stress. If mobility is a challenge, gentle seated exercises like arm lifts, ankle rotations, or stretching can help keep the blood flowing and muscles engaged. Sitting for long periods can slow circulation and weaken muscles, so it's a good idea to stand up and move around every 30 minutes, even if it's just a short walk across the room. Additionally, simple stretches can maintain flexibility and prevent stiffness. Stretching your arms, legs, and back several times a day, especially in the morning and before bed, can be very beneficial. Many seniors may feel that they're too old to start exercising, but it's never too late to move. The key is to incorporate movement into your daily routine. Choose a specific time each day to move, whether it's a morning walk, light stretches before bed, or a stroll after meals. Start small. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of activity each day can make a difference, and you can gradually increase the duration as it becomes a habit. Making movement enjoyable can also help. Listen to music, move while watching TV, or take short walks with friends or family members. It's important to listen to your body. Movement should feel good, not painful. So focus on activities that are comfortable and enjoyable. Staying active doesn't mean you need to do intense workouts. It simply means keeping your body moving every day. Every bit of movement counts, and the most important thing is to keep going. The body thrives on activity, and the more active you are, the longer and healthier your life can be. Now let's move on to habit number 5. The final and possibly most surprising habit that can help you live to 100. Habit number 5. A positive mindset. The secret to a long and fulfilling life. One of the most overlooked yet most powerful habits for longevity is maintaining a positive outlook on life. Studies have consistently shown that optimistic people live longer, healthier lives compared to those who dwell on negativity and stress. A study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences found that people who maintain a positive attitude about aging live an average of 7.5 years longer than those with negative perceptions about getting older. This is even more impactful than maintaining healthy cholesterol levels or regular exercise. Another study from Boston University School of Medicine found that optimistic individuals had a significantly lower risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and stroke. Optimism has been linked to lower stress levels, stronger immune function, and even a reduced risk of cognitive decline. When we focus on the positives, our bodies respond by releasing endorphins and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals that reduce stress and inflammation. This, in turn, helps protect the body from illnesses and speeds up healing. A positive attitude doesn't mean ignoring challenges or pretending everything is perfect. Instead, it's about shifting your perspective and choosing to focus on gratitude, purpose, and joy. Each day, take a moment to reflect on things you are grateful for: your health, family, memories, or even simple pleasures like a warm cup of tea. Studies show that practicing gratitude can reduce stress, improve sleep, and enhance overall well-being. Limit exposure to negativity. The news, social media, and negative conversations can often fuel fear and anxiety. While staying informed is important, try to limit exposure to negative content and focus more on uplifting stories and positive influences. Engaging in new hobbies, reading, or learning something new helps keep the brain active and provides a sense of accomplishment. People who continue to challenge their minds tend to stay sharper and more engaged with life. Whether it's through hobbies, spirituality, volunteering, or spending time with loved ones, having a sense of purpose can significantly boost life expectancy. In the famous blue zones, regions where people live the longest, having a purpose in life, what the Japanese call ikigai, is a key factor in longevity. Surround yourself with people who make you happy, watch a funny movie, or enjoy a lighthearted conversation. Your thoughts and emotions directly impact your health and lifespan. Choosing to embrace aging with gratitude, optimism, and a sense of purpose can make all the difference in not just how long you live, but how well you live. So, as you move forward, focus on the beauty of life, cherish each moment, and remember that a positive mindset is one of the most powerful tools for living a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. Living a longer, healthier life isn't just about genetics. It's about the choices you make every single day. The world's longest living people follow simple but powerful habits. They nourish their bodies with whole foods, stay active, build strong relationships, and manage stress effectively. Science confirms it. These habits can add years to your life and life to your years. The best part is, you have the power to start today. Even the smallest change, swapping processed food for real nutrition, walking a little more, prioritizing sleep, can set you on a path to longevity. So here's my challenge to you. Which of these habits will you start implementing today? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if this video gave you valuable insights, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs this message. Don't forget to subscribe to Nourishing HR for more science-backed health tips that will help you live better and longer.